Hello children, welcome to Max class. Hope everyone is fine at home. How is your classes going on? Are you all happy with it? Anyhow, we have to continue with this digital mode of learning still. Okay children, and today we are going to have a small trick. Okay, are you all ready for the trick? Okay, you would have played these kinds of games with your friends. Okay, again a fresh up for this game. Think of a number. Everyone can think any number. It can be a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, or 4-digit number, whatever it is. Okay, think a number. Multiply it by 3. For example, if you have chosen a number 10, multiply that 10 by 3. So we get 30. Okay? And you do with the number that you have thought and don't have the same what I have said it out. Okay, then add 6 with that. Have you all added? You can have your rough calculation in any rough paper or rough note. If you have thought of a very big number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, it's up to you. First think a number, multiply it by 3, then add 6. After adding with 6, divide by 3. You can do the long division method or cancellation to divide by 3. Just by 3. So it is going to be a very simple calculation. Hope you are all doing it. For the first time you can think of a small number. Once you get convenient with all this flow, you can think of a very big number. Have you divided by 3? Now, from that answer, you would have got some answer, no? From that answer, subtract the number that you have chosen. I chose 10 now. That number I should subtract now. After dividing, I will get a quotient. From that quotient, I should subtract the number that I chose. Now you have to subtract the number that you have chosen. Okay, that's what it is given in step 5. Subtract the number chosen in step 1 from your answer in step 4. In step 4, we divided by 3. We got a quotient. Surely it will be divisible by 3, my dear children. And you will not get any remainder. You will have only quotient. Now, your answer is going to be 2. Have you all got the answer 2? Okay. Whatever may be the number, your answer will be 2. Now, you have to think what is the logic behind it and what trick has been played in it. Okay, children? You can make your own game if you have analyzed what is the trick behind it. If you have analyzed the trick, then you can make your own game and play tricks with your friends, parents, and even your siblings. If they are small ones, you can just show them that you are a very great mathematicians now. And just learn the trick, learn the logic behind it and create few more tricks yourself. Okay children, hope you will do and enjoy it. Okay children, and today we are going to again solve equation. But the difficulty level of that equation is going to be little higher. Okay, we started with simple equations. Then we had little bit of higher order where we had variables on both the sides of the equation. And now, see this question. Don't you feel this is going to be little bit tricky now? No children, it is not going to be tricky more. It's going to be very simple. Always the equation may give a very tough look over us. Just by looking at it, we may feel, oh, this is tough, this is rough. But it is very simple. Okay, if you deal with it happily, it is going to be simple. Are you all ready, children? Here we have 3 fractions, n by 2, 3n by 4, 5n by 6. How will we handle if we have fractions? How will we add if we have fractions? we will go in for cross multiplication if we have only two fractions. Yes, you can do it. Otherwise, what will we do? Yes, we will take LCM. Isn't it? That's what we learnt right from class 4. Only thing is, in class 4, in class 5, in class 6, you were dealing only with numbers. Now you have grown up. Now you are going to learn how to deal with variables as well as numbers. Okay, children, what is the LCM for 2, 4 and 6? Come on, calculate in rough column and give me the answer. What is the LCM for 2, 4 and 6? Have you started? Yes, it is going to be 12. The LCM is going to be 12. So, how to get 12? Hope you remember these LCMs now. 2, 4 and 6. And all these three numbers are multiplied by number table 2, 1, 2, 3. So 2 and 3 are two different number which are not common multiples. So I can say 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12 is the LCM. Otherwise you can deal the LCM. See, all these numbers are multiples of 2. Isn't it? And what is the common multiple? Again 12. The same logic. Okay. Now to have the denominator as 12, what should be multiplied by 2 to get 12? 6. So I should multiply the numerator also with 6. That's how we got 6n. Okay. Now what should be multiplied by 4 to get 12? Yes, it is 3. So I should multiply the numerator also by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9n. So minus 9n. Now what should be multiplied by 6 to get 12? 2. So again I have to multiply by 2 in the numerator. So what will I get? 6 5 2s are 10 plus 10n. I have not disturbed the RHS. Now simplify the numerator here. 6 minus 9n. 6n minus 9n minus 3n. If I club these two, I will get minus 3n. Minus 3n plus 10n. If I combine these two, though these two have different sign, if I subtract, I will get plus 7n. So in next line, you will get plus 7n by 12. You will get 7n by 12. Isn't it? This 12 has been transposed to RHS in multiplication. So I get 21 into 12. In rough column, multiply 21 into 12 and the answer is going to be, yes, you can do that way, or you can just transpose the number 7 to make the calculation simpler. Instead of multiplying very big numbers, keep it as such and transpose the 7. It will become very simple. See here, 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21, 3 12s are 36. N is equal to 3 12s are 36. It is going to be very simple. N is equal to 36. Is it clear, my dear children? Here you should check whether our answer is right or wrong. What is the answer we have got? 36. What is 36 by 2? What is LHS there? We have n by 2. So 36 by 2, 18. Isn't it? Then minus 3 into, you will have 3 into 36 divided by 4. If I cancel it by 4, I will get 9 4s are 36. Isn't it? So we will get 18 minus 27. Here I will have plus 5 by 6 into 36. 6 6 are 36. So we will get 5 6 are 30. Here 18 minus 9 plus 30. 18 minus 27. 18 minus 27. Minus 9. Very good. Minus 9 plus 30 plus 21. We got the same RHS. Is it clear? Every time don't forget to check whether your solution is right solution or not. Is it clear, my dear children? Now the next equation is, here it is. We have variables x on both sides of the equation. See, we have equal to, we have x here in the left hand side as well as in right hand side. Keep in mind, only thing you have to do here is bring all the variables to left hand side and all the numerals to right hand side. Before bringing that, you should make the denominators same. What are the numbers are there in the denominators? Here I don't have any denominator, it means it is 1. Here I have 3, 6, 2. Now find the LCM for 3 is 6 and 2. Come on, make it fast. It is going to be very simple. 1 2 is 2, 3 2 are 6. So 3. So what is the LCM now? Both these 2 and 3. Sorry, 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. So we get the LCM to be 6. With that in mind, I am going to make the denominator common for both LHS as well as RHS. How to make it? As usual, what should be multiplied by 1 to get 6? 6. So multiply in the numerator also, you get 6x. That's what I have written here. 6x is got. Now here again 1. I have to multiply by 6. If I multiply by 7 6 are 42. Here it is enough to multiply by 2 because we already have the factor 3. 3 2s are 6. So 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16x. Be careful with the sign. Whatever is there in the question, the same sign you will have it here, which is equal to, here already the denominator is 6. So we get the same numerator 17. Here it has to be multiplied by 3 to get 6. So in numerator also I multiply by 3. All these things you do it in pencil. Is it clear, children? This the multiplication now, have it in pencil so that while you refer for your exam, you will not get a doubt how you got minus 16, how you got plus 42. Okay, for better clarification, you have these things in pencil. Whatever I do now, know that you can do it in pencil. Okay, now combine the variables. Here I have 6x. Here I have minus 16x. So what will I get? Yes, minus 10x. Okay, plus 42. And before that, we have to see these two denominators are same, no? It gets cancelled. The logic behind it, if I multiply by 6 on both the sides, it gets cancelled and we will get 1. See, if I multiply by 6 now, here whole 6. Multiply by whole 6. These two get cancelled. And it is not correct if I multiply by 6 only in left hand side. It has to be done in right hand side also. So if I multiply by 6 now, I will get it get cancelled. Instead of doing this step, I directly cancelled the denominators on both the sides. The logic behind this cancellation is multiply 6 on both the sides of the equation. Is it clear, my dear children? When someone asks, you should not directly say cancel the denominators. You have to say multiply 6 on both sides so they get cancelled. Okay. Okay, now let us talk about the numerator. 6x minus 16x, you get minus 10x plus 42, which is equal to 17 minus 15x. Now it is very simple for you. You have got an equation which you have already practiced in previous exercise. So what you will do, you will transpose minus 15x to left hand side and plus 42 to right hand side. Isn't it? How it becomes, see, 17 minus 42 minus 10 plus 15x. Now if I combine minus 10 plus 15, you get plus 5x and here we get minus 25. 17 minus 42 is minus 25. Be careful with the sign. So x is equal to minus 5. Got the answer, children? Now I have to verify whether the answer is right or wrong. Here we have LHS is equal to x plus 5 minus 8x by 3. What is the solution we have got? X to be minus 5. In the place of x, I am writing minus 5. All other things I have written as it is. Isn't it? See, minus 5 plus 7 is plus 2. Minus into minus plus 40 by 3. Now you know to do cross multiplication, isn't it? 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 40. So 6 plus 40 by 3. So 46 by 3. Here in RHS, you will substitute the value of x to be 5. Minus 5. So you will get plus 25. Minus 25. Sorry, here you got minus 15, I think. Let us see in previous slide. Minus 15x. See, minus 5x by 2. So minus 5x by 2. So 5 into minus 5. You will not have 15 here. 5 into minus 5. No need to have this step. 17 by 6 minus. Oh, sorry. You have taken the LCM, my dear children. 6 into 2. These two denominators are different. So you will have 6 in the denominator. It has to be multiplied by 3. So you get 5 3s are 15. 15x. So it is correct only. 15x you will get. In the place of x, you have substituted minus 5. Hope I am clear. 17 minus 15 into minus 5. So you will get plus 75. 17 plus 75 by 6.